everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the incredible power of Allah, the best creator and the king of all. Now I know this topic might be deep for some of you, but I'll do my best to make it easy to understand. So, first and foremost, Allah power is beyond anything we can imagine. He is the one who created this vast universe and the everything in the form the tiniest atom to the grandest galaxies. It is all his creations. Just think about it. Every single details in the world is the masterpiece of his design. And here the mind-blowing part, Allah's never die. Unlike us humans who are mortal and have limited lifespans, Allah is eternal. He has no beginning or end. This means that His power and wisdoms are limitless. He is always there watching over and taking care of everything. Now let's talk about the world we live in. Allah is the one who made it all possible. He created land, the seas, the mountains, and the airs we breathe. Every living creature, every plant, and every element of the nature is a testament to His incredible craftsmanship. But who is God? Well, Allah is the one true God in Islam. He is not just a deity or an ideal. He is the ultimate source of all power and authority. Allah is the merciful, forgiving, and compassionate. He guides us through life and provides us with everything we need. And here is something beautiful. We are all in complement of God. Each one of us has unique talent, strength, and qualities that make us special. We are all a part of Allah's divine plan, and He loves us unconditionally. So, my friends, let's take a moment to appreciate the power of Allah, reflect on His incredible creations, and be grateful for every He is providing us. Remember, Allah is the best creator, the King who never dies, and the one who made this world possible. Let's embrace His love and guidance our lives. Thank you so much for this watching video, and I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu